guys, I came to bird sanctuary in. So let's go. So guys, we are going inside. So guys, see the trees. Very beautiful. So guys, we are climbing up. We are going, I think, here. So guys, very beautiful. Very beautiful. I think for the first time. For the first time. Very beautiful. So guys, we can do boating also in here. Beautiful.
So guys, that is the boat. You can do boating also, and there are many birds. And here we have Dhruva.
Hi guys. So guys, we are going down now. And we have this. What is it? There's like leaves and there is also some place, but we are going here. So guys, we are going to boating also, not now. So guys, we are going now boating, so let's go. Here is the river, guys.
Lake.
Sorry, lake, guys. So guys, this place is in Srirangapatna, Karnataka. So guys, let's not waste our time and go for the boating. Come. So guys, in the way we have many shops here. Like 2 or 3. So guys, come here. Come here. Come fast. So guys, come. Let's go to the boating. Guys, I'm ready to go to boating. So so guys, we are in the boat. I think I can touch the water. I can't. Because we are going now.
Here is Dhruva. How do you feel?
Very good.
You're enjoying?
And we have the birds over there. And we have a birds over there. And then.
ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬಡ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ
ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರೀ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಮೇಲೆ
So guys, there is a crocodile.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಗೋ. There is a crocodile.
And there is also one crocodile. I think so. There is also one crocodile. So guys, here is a bird and other two.
Guys, another crocodile.
That is looking like a fake.
ಚಿಕ್ಕು
Hey, Papa, fake.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲತ್ರ
That is fake, guys. I think. Paka fake.
guys, another crocodile. There are two. There also I can see it. This one. Here is Dhruva.
So guys, I think it is him. So guys, see the view behind me.
Snake bird
So beautiful.
ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ.
So guys, this is the snake bird. White color white. Crocodile.
ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು.
So guys, there is a crocodile.
There is also
So guys, a bird.
ನೋಡಲ್ಲ
ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಕಣಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು. So guys, another crocodile.
ಸೀಸನ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಇವಾಗ
So guys, crocodile.
ವೈಟ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಲರ್
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ.
There are many birds.
Yes, guys. There is even like yellow color feathers. Like snake bird.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತ ಬಡ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಒಂದು. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ
ನೋಡಿ ವೈಟ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಲರ್
ಮುಖ ಬೆಳ್ತವ್ರಿದೆ
Kodama, mobile.
ನೀನು ಹೊಸ್ಕೊ
Amma. So guys, here is the bird.
Crocodile's tail.
Oh, please, Amma, rest it first. So guys, there is a crocodile.
ನೀನು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ಬೇಡ ನೀನು
Guys, Dhruva is enjoying.
So guys, there is a crocodile and there is another one crocodile, two crocodiles. One like this. So guys, there is another boat.
Guys, see this. On the trees also.
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಚ್ಚಿಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೈತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೆಸ್ಕನಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ನೆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್
Guys, see here.
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು.
ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಬಂತು ಪಿಂಕು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕು ವೈಟು ಆರೆಂಜ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪೇಂಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮನೆಗಳಿರಲ್ಲ
They are huge in size.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೋರ್ನಿಂಗ್
See this one, guys.
ಇದೊಂದು ಸೀಸನ್
Particularly.
ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು.
So guys, there are few more birds.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬೇಬಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ
Oh, ಇಲ್ಲಿ
There are pink birds.
ಕೂತಿದ್ದು
ಬಾಯ್ಲೆ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
There are many on the trees, guys. There are many on the trees.
ಫೋಟೋ ಹಿಡಿತೀನಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ನೋಡು ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲು ನೋಡು
ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲು ನೋಡು
ಇದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಬಂದಾಯ್ತು
ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡು
ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಬಂದಾಯ್ತು
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಸಾಕ ಏನಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಕ ನಿಮಗೆ
The ride is finished and Dhruva is going now. Dhruva is going now.
So guys, the ride was fantastic and beautiful, and and I also enjoyed the ride. And it's our first time for the crocodile. I think he will hunt me. I think the crocodile will hunt me. So guys, I'm going to buy some toys.
Hey Dhruva, there's something on your shoulder.
Just kidding, this is a rubber. We have even that also.
Go Dhruva, go.
Below 200 I should buy. Below 200 I can buy. Go can buy the stock. Okay?
I found something.
Frankie glass.
He's searching. So guys, Dhruva did not buy anything in the store. I did not like anything, I think. Okay, so here is Dhruva.
I have it taken.
He had it from before, guys. He had it from before. Dhruva, tell anything, pa.
My father didn't buy me anything.
See Dhruva, guys. He wants to go to park, guys. Don't know what he'll play in the park, but he wants to go to the park. Now we are going there only. Let's see. Now we are going on the bridge towards the other side of the park. See there, guys, Dhruva. Don't know what he's doing. Let's see, guys.
Park. Park. Park.
He wants to go to park, guys. Guys, now he's going to the park.
It's so small. Small is it?
He's telling that the park is small. See, guys, finally he came to the park to play. Let's give him a little push, guys. I'll give him a push, guys. Afterwards, I'll record. See, guys, I gave him a push.